Well, what we've got here today is 1963 split window. The idea was to tie the person who created the lines, and how do we modernize it? So we modernized it by doing flush mount glass like you'd see on a new car. One-piece side windows, flush mount rear glass. The bumpers, they're really tight to the body. We tried to just color match the car to be more like a modern car would be. The chassis underneath is an Art Morrison chassis. The actual motor in the car is an LS3. We Cerakoted everything. It's a burnt bronze. Corvette Pacifica and EC products provided all of the Corvette specific parts. The headlights and the hood grills were done by a company called RestoModVette. All of the interior products were Douglas interior products, so they provided all the leather, the carpet. If you look at the steering wheel, that's Spark Industries. The gauges are Dakota Digital. Steel rubber products did all of my weather stripping. Getting the weather stripping is an absolute pleasure. We're going to use steel rubber on all of our projects going forward. Great company. If anyone is interested, that they can find us at RestoModVette.com, and we'd be happy to build them one.